Welcome to this course on technology policy and development. In today's world, technology is not just a tool but a major driver of social, economic, and political change. The way governments, industries, and individuals shape and regulate technology has far-reaching consequences for development. This course explores the complex relationship between technology, policy, and society, and examines how laws, regulations, and ethical principles guide the development and use of technology. We will divide this course into two main modules. Module 1, Policies, Laws, and Regulations Affecting Technology. Module 2, Public Investment, Standardization, Ethics, and Quality Assurance. By the end of this course, you should be able to understand how policies influence technology development, how society deals with large-scale challenges through regulation and planning, and how ethical and quality considerations ensure responsible technological growth. Module 1, Policies, Laws, and Regulations Affecting Technology. 1.1 Technology and Society's Large-Scale Problems. Technology exists to solve problems, but it also creates new ones. Societies face large-scale challenges such as congestion in cities, waste disposal, environmental pollution, unequal access to resources, and the tension between private gain and public welfare. Policy is the mechanism through which governments attempt to guide technological growth in ways that benefit the public while limiting harm. Without clear policies, technology can develop in directions that undermine fairness, sustainability, or safety. 1.2 Governmental Policies and Technology. Government plays a crucial role in shaping the path of technological development. Policies create rules, incentives, and constraints that guide how industries and innovators act. Examples include antitrust laws. These laws prevent monopolies and promote competition. In the technology sector, antitrust laws ensure that no single company dominates markets in ways that stifle innovation. For example, regulating large digital platforms protects smaller firms and consumers. Patents and copyrights. Intellectual property laws reward innovation by granting inventors exclusive rights for a period of time. Patents encourage technological progress by allowing inventors to benefit from their work, while copyrights protect creative and software-based works. However, these protections must balance innovation with accessibility, so society is not locked out of important knowledge. 1.3 Legal and economic aspects of environmental issues. Technology interacts closely with the environment, creating problems like pollution, congestion, and waste disposal. Let's break this down. Pollution. Industrial development has historically caused air and water pollution. Governments use environmental regulations, emission standards, and economic incentives like carbon pricing to reduce environmental damage. Congestion. Urban areas often face traffic congestion, which wastes time and fuel. Policies such as congestion charges, improved public transport, and urban planning help mitigate this issue. Waste disposal. As technology advances, societies produce more electronic and industrial waste. Safe disposal and recycling policies, supported by regulations, help manage this problem sustainably. These issues highlight the importance of linking legal frameworks with economic strategies to balance development with sustainability. 1.4 Private production of public goods. Public goods are resources or services that benefit everyone, such as clean air, national security, or public research. Traditionally, governments provide these goods because private companies may not find them profitable. However, there are cases where private organizations produce or support public goods. For example, technology companies may fund open-source software projects that benefit society as a whole. Policies must ensure that such contributions are encouraged while preventing exploitation or underprovision. 1.5 Regulation of industries. Industry regulation ensures safety, fairness, and accountability. Without regulation, companies may prioritize profits over public interest. Examples include telecommunication regulations to guarantee fair access and prevent monopolistic pricing. Energy sector regulations to promote renewable energy adoption and ensure safety in nuclear power. Health technology regulations to protect consumers from unsafe medical devices or pharmaceuticals. The balance between overregulation, which stifles innovation, and underregulation, which risks harm, is a central concern in technology policy. Module 1 Summary. In Module 1, we have seen how governmental policies, laws, and regulations shape technological development. From intellectual property protections and antitrust measures to environmental laws and industrial regulation, policies determine how technology interacts with society. At the same time, issues such as pollution, congestion, and waste remind us that technology must be guided by both legal frameworks and economic considerations to ensure sustainable development.